Let's start the conversation about suicide in older adults. In this video, we will be discussing why suicide is a problem, for who, what you can do, and where you can get help. 31 out of 100,000 over 65 die by suicide each year. The National Institute of Mental Health describes how, among males, the suicide rate was highest for those aged 65 and older. Depression is one of the leading risk factors of older adult suicide. Because of the many changes in their lives, older adults are less likely to report depression or thoughts of suicide. The Canadian Coalition for Seniors' Mental Health is an effective program currently addressing the issue. They designed a late-life suicide prevention toolkit, which focuses on how to identify suicide warning signs, how to assess risk and resiliency, and how to manage immediate and ongoing risk. General medical practitioners should be better involved in the prevention of suicidal behavior in adults. In fact, they are the first to have contact with older suicidal people because 1. of the higher prevalence of physical illness in older adults and its link with suicidal behavior, and 2. older adults consult more often with general practitioners than psychiatric services prior to suicide. If you are experiencing passive or active suicidal thoughts, it is essential that you get help from a medical health professional immediately. A timely and appropriate intervention can prevent suicide, and addressing issues sooner rather than later often results in better treatment outcomes. Looking for more information? Visit these reputable resources: suicideinfo.ca and suicidepreventionlifeline.org. If a loved one is experiencing thoughts of suicide, be upfront. Ask the question. Talk to the person. Offer help. Get loved ones involved and show interest and deep concern. Suicide in older adults is a major public health crisis, but it can be prevented. It is essential that we use the resources available to us so we can take care of ourselves and others.